Good morning, student. In our last period, I gave you the answer of two questions. Means some questions which are given related to the function, and then invitation, formal invitation. I am going to repeat that formal invitation. At the starting of the formal invitation, we need a box. Here we need a box. Then first mention the name of the person who is giving the invitation. Mr. and Mrs. Kulkarni request to. Means here Mr. and Mrs. Kulkarni inviting the persons. Kumar, Kumari. This invitation is for Kumar, Kumari. With their parents. With their parents. The Kumar and Kumari are invited with their parents to attend the function. On the occasion of 15th birthday of their daughter. The occasion of the invitation is 15th birthday of their daughter. The name of the daughter is Arya Kulkarni. Below that, the venue means the place where the function is going to take place is given. And the venue is at 22 Vikas Apartments, Main Street, Jalgaon. This is the address of the place where the function is going on. The function is going to take place. Then day and date is given on Monday 9th January. Below that, the time is given at 6 p.m. And here we finish our formal invitation. In this format, this is the format of writing the formal invitation about some function, for some function. At the starting, the name of the person who is going to invite Mr. and Mrs. Kulkarni request to. Then here Kumar, Kumari means to whom they are inviting with their parents. Then the occasion for which the persons are inviting. On the occasion of 15th birthday of their daughter. They are sending this formal invitation on the occasion of 15th birthday of their daughter. The name of the daughter is given here. Below that, the venue means the place where the function is going to take place. At 22 Vikas Apartments, Main Street, Jalgaon. And below that, the day and date is given. The day is Monday, date is 9 January, and that at the end, the time of the function is given at 6 p.m. Write down this in your notebook carefully. Then we are going to write the next question, which is about the conversation. Next question is write an imaginary conversation write an imaginary conversation in which you invite your friend, in which you invite your friend to the above function, to the above function. The question is related to the formal invitation. Write an imaginary conversation in which you invite your friend to the above function. This conversation is going to take place between two friends in which one friend is inviting the other for attending the function. The first person is Raj. Hello, Sam. The second person is Sam. Hello, Raj. They say hello to each other. Raj, I have called you. I have called you to invite for my birthday party. For my birthday party. Sam. Oh, nice. Thanks. When is it? When is it? Raj, it's on It's on 9th of this month. You will come. Here are some lines I gave you. First, the two persons, two friends, say hello to each other. Then Raj told his friend, I have called you to invite for my birthday party. He told the reason behind the invitation. Sam, oh nice, thanks. When is it? Then Sam asked, when your birthday is. Raj, it's on 9th of this month. You will come. Then Raj told, my birthday is on 9th of this month and you will come for this birthday. Write down this, then we will take next. Sam, of course, I will come. Raj, I will celebrate it at my home. Then Sam asks, what time should I come? What time should I come? Raj, at 6 in the evening. At 6 in the evening, Sam I will come. Thanks. Raj, bye Sam. See you on my birthday. Sam, bye. I will be there. Then they continue their conversation. Sam told Raj, of course I will come. Raj gave invitation to Sam to attend his birthday party and Sam told, of course I will come. Raj, I will celebrate it at my home. Then Raj explained, he is going to celebrate his birthday party at his home. Sam, what time should I come? Then Sam asked, on what time should I come? Raj told him to come at 6 in the evening. Sam, I will come, thanks. Then Sam thanks him for the invitation and he also told him that he will come. Raj, bye Sam, see you on my birthday. Then both of them said bye to each other. And the next question of this lesson is the last question of this lesson is homework for you. Here we complete our lesson seeing eyes helping hands. Thank you.